When to use was or were? It's a very common question, but still there are many people out there who use it in a wrong way. So how to use was or were in a right way? So was or were are the past forms of be. So be has two past forms, was and were. Now we use was with I, she, he, it, and was with they, we, you. Okay, we use was with I, he, she, it, and were with they, we, you. Now we have the examples here. The first example is dash was very nice. So here we have was. Now we use was with singular pronouns I, he, she, it. Okay, so let's see the options. A part is the plural they. You, we always use were with you. You were. Okay, so this will also eliminate. So option C will be our answer. So she was very nice. Now we have the second example. I dash very happy when I saw her. So here we have I, and with I we will always use was, and the option will be A part. I was very happy when I saw her. Okay. Now we have the third question. You dash there when I dash playing. Now we have you. We will always use you with were. Okay, you were. So here we have were. You were there when I. Now I, with I we will always use was. So I was playing. So here we go. You were there when I was playing. So your option will be option A part. Now, if you like my video, then click the like button, subscribe button, and then I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much.